There you are, first grade. All right, it is time for math. Yes, it is math time. And today for our fact practice or our fact review, all we're going to do is our fact homework where you get to be the teacher. Are you ready to be the teacher? All right, get your fact homework 125 out and get ready to be the teacher. All right, let's take a look at this paper. All right, remember, you're the teacher, and we are going to circle the answer if it is not correct. If it is correct, we leave it alone. Are you ready to get started? All right, see, these are all, if I look at my page, all subtraction facts. Let's see how we do, or how this person did. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 2 minus 0 equals 0. Uh-oh. That is not correct. All right, so we have to circle that answer and then put the correct answer beside it. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Yes. You're not taking anything away from it. So the answer is 2. All right, here we go. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Yes. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Yes. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Yes. And double check it. 7 plus 3 equals 10, right? Yeah. Okay, so they missed 1 in that column. Let's go to the second one, or that row. Let's go to the second row. Here we go. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Yes. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Yes. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Yep. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Yes. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Yes, so they didn't miss any in that row. Okay, here we go. Third row. 11 minus 2 equals 8. That's not right, is it? What does 11 minus 2 equal? 9, that's right. We have to circle that. 11 minus 2 does not equal 8. That is wrong. It equals 9. Okay, teachers, let's go. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Yes. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Yes. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Yes. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Yes. Okay, so they just missed 1 in that row. Okay, let's see. Let's see how they do in this final row. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Yes. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Yes. 8 minus 2 equals 5. No, no, no. What does 8 minus 2 equal? 6. That's right. So we have to circle that 5 and write the 6 out there beside it. Okay. Next problem. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Yes. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Yes. Okay, so how many did they miss? 1, 2, 3. All right, that's minus 3. And their grade would be an 85B if you want to give them a grade. That is what their grade would be. They made a B and missed 3. Not terrible, huh? No, but I hope you guys do better on your fact assessment tomorrow. Yeah, our math test is tomorrow. All right, there we go with our fact practice for today. Well, we're going to move on to our lesson now. Our lesson. We are learning some new subtraction facts. I know we've been learning a lot of subtraction facts lately, haven't we? These are called differences of two. Differences of two. Now, I have written some problems on the board. I'm going to get out of the way so you can see them. Some subtraction problems. Well, we are going to solve these subtraction problems using our Tower of 10. Okay? Tower of 10. Now, do you remember when I say difference in math and a subtraction problem, I'm talking about the answer. The answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. All right, now we are going to use these linking cubes and see if we can find out something special about these facts on the board. All right, we have a tower of 10. Our first problem says 10 minus 8 equals. All right, so I have 10 and I have to take away 8. How many do I have left? 2. So my answer, or the difference, is 2. All right, now I have the next problem, 9 minus 7. All right, so I have 9 linking cubes here, and I have to take away 7. How many are left? 2. Okay. You're probably already seeing the pattern, huh? All right, now I have 8 linking cubes. 8 minus 6. I have to take away 6 linking cubes. How many are left? 2. So the answer, or the difference, is 2. Okay. 7 minus 5. All right, I have 7 linking cubes. I have to take away 5. How many are left? 2. Now, I think you've caught on to what we're doing here, huh? Okay, here we go. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Look at that. And then our last one over there, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Look at that. These subtraction facts, boys and girls, are called subtraction facts, difference of 2. That means the answer is going to be 2. Now, if we take a look, of course, we can always check our problems. I want to go back to that really quick. Let's do this. 2 plus 8 equals 10, right? 2 plus 7 equals 9. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yeah, we're right. I could even do that with my cubes. All right, 2 plus 8. All right, here we go. I'm going to do my cubes. I'll reverse it. I have 2 plus, how many? 8. I put them together. I've got my Tower of 10 back. It works. We are correct. Now, what I want you to look at is, let's see, let's count our odd numbers. Let's start with 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6. Even numbers right beside each other when we count. Let's try our odd numbers. Over here. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 7. 13579. Do you see? Just an easy way if you can remember that. When we have even numbers right beside each other or odd numbers right beside each other in a subtraction problem, our answer or our difference is going to be 2. It is. Of course, the larger of the two numbers will always be on top in a subtraction problem. Okay, for us anyway. And yes, see? There we go. Do you see? You kind of catch it? You think? All right. All right. Well, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up the flashcards that I have. All right. And I'm going to hold up different kinds of flashcards. What you have to do, this is what we'll do. If it is a difference of 2 fact, I want you to hold up 2 thumbs. Now, if it's a difference of 1 fact, when the numbers come right beside each other when we count by ones, right? I only want you to hold up 1 thumb. Now, if it's not a difference of 1 fact, it's not a difference of 2 fact, it's just another subtraction fact, like subtracting a number from itself, that's a different kind. All right? You just put your thumbs down. Thumbs down. Okay? I'm going to test you out a little bit here. Difference of 2, difference of 1, another subtraction fact. Thumbs are just down. We put them down. Okay? All right, here we go. 2 thumbs up. Because the answer is 2. It's a difference of 2 fact. 2 thumbs up again. That's right, 2 thumbs up. Because it's a difference of 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. No thumbs. No thumbs. That's right. That's one of our taking a number away from 10. Yes, that's 10 minus 4 equals 6. All right. 1 thumb. That's right. Because the answer is 1. 10 minus 9 equals 1. That's a difference of 1. You see kind of what we're doing here? You catching on a little bit? Okay. Two thumbs up. That's 2 thumbs up. Because it's a difference of 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. No thumbs. No thumbs. 3 minus 1 equals 2, but that's not a difference of 2. Wait, yes it is. Guys, it's 2 thumbs up. I was thinking about it as a subtracting 1 fact, but hey, 1, 3, it's a difference of 2. I bet you guys were right and I was wrong. 3 minus 1 equals 2. That's a difference of 2. Good job. Good job. I hope you got it. 1 thumb up. That's a difference of 1 fact. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 2 thumbs up. 9 minus 7 equals 2. That's a difference of 2. Remember, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. No thumbs. No thumbs. 1 minus 1 is 0. It's not a difference of 1 or a difference of 2. Two thumbs up. It's a difference of 2. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah, difference of 2. Two thumbs up. Difference of 2. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Very good. No thumbs up. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Not a difference of 1 or a difference of 2 fact. One thumb up. That's right. 4 minus 3 equals 1. That's a difference of 1 because 1, 2, 3, 4, when we count by ones right beside each other. Two thumbs up. 8 minus 6 equals 2. That's a difference of 2 fact. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's when we count by twos. Because that's what counting our even numbers and our odd numbers, that's what it is. We're counting by twos. Difference of 2. 2 thumbs up. That's right. It's a difference of 2 fact. 4 minus 2 equals 2. One thumb up. 3 minus 2 equals 1. It's a difference of 1 fact. No thumb up. See, these don't come right beside each other when we're counting by twos. 0, 2, 4. Yeah. So this is just a subtracting 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. So no thumb. Hey, how'd you do on that? Are you recognizing your difference of 1 facts and your difference of 2 facts? All right, I hope so. That'll help you, really will help you when you're doing your subtraction facts. Kind of help you do it pretty quickly, really. All right, good job on your math lesson. We're going to get ready to do our class practice. So you are going to need guided class practice 125. And we'll do side A together. Do side B on your own, okay? So you get your paper ready, and I'm going to get our chart up. Make sure you have your ruler and your crayons. All right, you have your class practice out, ready to go? All right, let's go. Bet you already know what side of the ruler you need to be on. That's right, centimeter. And today we are making an 8 centimeter line segment. 8 centimeters. Make sure you're on that centimeter side of your ruler. Let's line it up. All right, I'm putting a dot at the 8. And I'm drawing my 8 centimeter line segment and writing my name. Okay, now today's date is May 4th. May 4th. Let's write that together. Capital M-A-Y 4, comma, 2020. All right, we don't say May 4, we say May 4th. And today is Monday. So let's write Monday. Capital M-O-N-D-A-Y. All right, we've got to make 4 tally marks, 4 whole tally marks. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Okay, number 1. Today we're writing the number 113 on the place value chart. So here we go. 1, 1, 3. That is the number 113. Okay, now don't forget we always have the last digit is the 1, then we go to tens, then the hundreds. Circle the digit that tells the number of 100s. Okay, girls, which digit tells the number of 100s? The 1 in the hundreds column. Make sure you circle that digit in the hundreds column. All right, number 2. Let's listen to our story problem, figure out what to do, and then we'll draw our picture. Elizabeth has 2 dimes and 4 pennies. Stephanie has 1 penny and 5 dimes. Draw the coins and color the pennies brown. Okay. We have to draw all the coins. And you know how we draw our coins. The dime is a circle with a 10 in the middle. The penny, little bigger circle with a 1 in the middle, right? Okay, let's be neat about this. Elizabeth has 2 dimes and 4 pennies. All right, 2 dimes. There's my dimes with a 10 in the middle. And then 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a 1 in the middle. So I have my 2 dimes and my 4 pennies. Now Stephanie has 1 penny and 5 dimes, okay? So Stephanie has 1 penny, there's her 1 penny, and 5 dimes. I kind of like keeping my dimes all together, so I'm going to put my dimes over here, her 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm putting a 10 in the middle of those so I can keep my dimes and my pennies straight. So I have Elizabeth's 2 dimes and 4 pennies. I have Stephanie's 1 penny and 5 dimes. Okay. Now we have to color the pennies brown. So get your brown crayon. Yep. And we have to color our pennies brown. All right. We know what the pennies are because we wrote the number 1 in the middle. So those are our pennies. Okay, now, how many dimes do the girls have all together? Not how much money, just how many dimes. I just need to count all the dimes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are all together, they have 7 dimes. How many pennies do the girls have all together? Let's count all the pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies. Now we have the question, how much money is that? Okay, now we have to count it like we're counting money. You ready? We're going to start with our dimes. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75 cents. This is where we write the cent sign. 75 cents. And did you notice something else? Since it's dimes and pennies we're talking about, look, 7 dimes, 5 pennies. We can know without even counting that equals 75 cents, right? Now we always go back, we'll double check it to make sure, but we could have just looked at 7 dimes, 5 pennies and written 75 cents without even counting that money. Because we know that 7 dimes, right? If we split that 75, this is my pennies column, this is my dimes. It's like ones and tens. And we would have known that that's 75 cents. Cool. All right, let's look at number 3. The children in Mrs. Bryant's class made this graph about their favorite colors. Write one thing you know about the children in Mrs. Bryant's class. Oh, what do you know? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 children like green the best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children like blue the best. 3 children like yellow. 4 like red. We just need to write one thing. We also know that more children like blue. The most children like blue as their favorite. We did. And then the fewest number of children liked yellow. Mhm. Hey, how many more children like blue than like green? How many more children like blue than like green? Two, right? Two more right there. One, two. Two more blue than green. All right, so we know lots of facts, but if I am going to write a fact here about it, let's see. I'm going to say, I don't know, I think red's my favorite color. See, look at green and red. Green and red, the same number of children liked green that liked red. But I'm going to put 4 children like red. Or you can say 4 children's favorite color is red. 4 children like red the best. How about I'll make it easy? 4 children like red the best. That's a fact we know from that graph. We talked about a lot, though, that graphs give us a lot of information. So you write your fact that you learned from that graph. Okay, have you got your fact down? All right, let's go ahead. Measure number 4. Woo, rulers again. Now, I obviously can't measure my line segment because it's much bigger than yours, but I measured it on the paper, so I know what the answer is. Get your ruler, and you're going to, for number 4, measure this line segment using inches. You have to turn to the inch side of your ruler and measure the line segment for number 4. Go ahead and measure that line segment using the inch side of your ruler. How many inches? 3. That's right. That is 3 inches. Number 4 is 3. 3 inches. Now, number 5, you're going to measure this line segment using centimeters. So use the centimeter side of your ruler, the other side, and measure that line segment using centimeters. How many centimeters long is that line segment? 8. Good. Yes, that is 8 centimeters long. Good. All right, we're already on number 6. 48 minus 10, subtracting 10 from a number. Remember, our tens digit will go down 1. 48 minus 10 equals 38. Now they throw an addition in there. 39 plus 10 equals 49. Okay, here's a 3 single-digit addition problem. I'm going to add 7 and 3 first because I know 7 and 3 equals 10 plus 2 more. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Ooh, 8 minus 6. What kind of subtraction problem is that? Difference of 2. 5 minus 4, a difference of 1. That's right. Okay. All righty. I'm getting out of your way back to the other side. Okay, I hope you've got all of side A done. You've done it correctly. Let's turn to side B. All right, you're going to do side B when you stop the video. Finish side B on your own. Have mom or dad check it to make sure you're doing it right, okay? Number 1, circle all the numbers that are between 38 and 51. And you know what that means. It has to be greater than 38, but less than 51. Okay, and I'll even go ahead and tell you how many there are. Oh, wow, you're going to have 4. 4 of those are greater than 38, but less than 51. Now, I think I sent your offices home. If you need to look at your 100 number chart to help you there, you can. All right, number 2, you're going to read your story problem. Leslie has 3 dimes and 2 pennies. Teresa has 3 pennies and 1 dime. You're going to draw the coins. Do it just like we did the problem on side A. Okay, how many dimes, how many pennies, and how much money is that? I want you to write one thing you know about the children in Mrs. Tremblay's class from this graph about their favorite colors. Oh, number 4, lots of patterns. Finish these number patterns. Boys and girls, these are so important. So important. Think about what they are. Hey, right there, even though these are in the middle, you know that's counting by 100s. 23, 33, you know that's counting by 10s. 50, 45, 40, you know that's going down by 5s. And then on number 5, find the answers. Okay? And this is a great side B today. Lots of good stuff, especially number 1. And then these patterns are really important. Okay, so work hard on it. Do your very best. Now, another thing that I'm sending home or that I've sent home, we're also, after tomorrow, we're doing our testing tomorrow, but we're going to be working on some addition facts later in our math because I sent home a timed test. We're going to work and try to see if you can finish 100 addition problems in 5 minutes or less. All right, and that's something you can work on into the summer as well, but we're going to start working on that too in math, okay? All right, good math lesson today. Go ahead and make sure you're working on that side B, and don't forget about your differences of 2 problems. All right, boys and girls, great job.